back to my channel, I guess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with me in my room. I don't think I've made a video of me talking like this in front of the camera inside my room. This will be my first time, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna unbox some parcel that I received. Not like some parcel lah, I have two only. This is the photo card that I received last few days, and I didn't open it yet because I want to record it together with this parcel. And this have two albums, CIX Wave album and the boyz Thrill Ride album. I want to do an ASMR unboxing video like I did for the rose one, but I don't know, I just kind of want to record my reaction unboxing these two albums. Should we open this one first? This one is the Younghoon Lightstick photo card that I bought from K-Seller. Let's unbox this one first. Dia macam ni je guys. Can you see it? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this one. I hope you can see. So cute. No top loader at all. Oh, anyway, I'm sorry if this is my first time doing a video like this, me talking to camera by myself without my friends. So I hope it will not be that awkward or it will not be that boring for you guys. School started in less than 2 weeks and I still didn't record the assumption about me video. Oh, the behind. Kenapa dia tak guna top loader ke? Masih biasa ramai. Comel. Yeah, my bias in the boys is Younghoon. I like Younghoon, Changmin, Chani, Kevin. I don't know, I like everyone, but Younghoon is my top bias. Let's unbox this parcel. And this album arrived yesterday evening, and since I don't have any lighting, like I don't have the light ring whatsoever, and my house is kinda dark, I decided to wait till today to unbox this parcel. God bless my passion. But then it was raining and I woke up at 12. But thank God now dah tak hujan. And I bought this album from G Market, Apple Music G Market, not from the website. And I dah beli, barulah Apple Music nak announce dia ada POB. Oh my god. Okay, I've carried. Oh my god. And also I didn't what? I didn't buy. No, it's not. I didn't take the poster in tube option because, you know, I have like 3 tubes already, and inside all of these I have like a lot of poster from AB6, VI, the rose one, ABC. Did I mention AB6? Yeah. So I don't want to increase the number of tubes I already have in this small hub of my guys. Oh my god. The Thrill Ride and Wave. I ordered this like 2 weeks before the boys released the album, and I need to wait for another week for CIX to come back for them to send both of them together, and the total of 3 weeks of waiting, and also the 1 day yesterday. Oh my god. Should I open the boys one? Alamak, you can't see the albums. Wait. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't think this video gonna be long. I think less than 10 minutes, I guess. So it's just unboxing album and me talking to you guys. Oh, so, oh my god, so big. It's bigger than my face. This is a Thrill Ride album from the boys. Go check out their songs. And this is Wave by CIX, the Wave version. This one is the Wave version, and this one is the kick version of Thrilling album from the boyz. Which one should I open first? Since I'll wait for 3 weeks for this one to come, let's unbox the boyz first. Or should I unbox the X first? The boyz X. I think I'm gonna unbox. No. Oh my god, why is it so hard for me? The struggles of being a multi-stand. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this one first. Good. I waited this for so long. And I went to Aladdin, but that time I didn't receive my album yet, so I don't want to waste my money because I need to wait for my album first, and then after this maybe I will buy one from the offline store. So pretty, like so pretty. Oh my god, you can see my phone. So pretty. The color, the gradient. Yeah. What's that? Okay. Yeah. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 songs, and my favorite is Merry Bad Ending and Bet on You. I really like Merry Bad Ending and Bet on You. Satisfying part. Yeah. Oh, it's like matte. Not glossy at all. It's like matte. Whatever. I think this one, this and AB6 album that I have, the more complete one, the same. It has the same features, and they put the photo card in here. Oh my god! Can you see them? This is like my favorite photos. Them. Did I jatuhkan this one? The band. Oh, I got Nightmare band. The concept is like you go to the amusement park and then this one. Hello to my hell. The moment. Oh, I didn't see the photo card yet. This one is the lyrics book. Yeah, like Dukun. Okay, I'm gonna take out this one first. I really don't like when they put it in front of this, like the AB6 one. I got hyped, yeah! Oh my god, the hologram is so pretty. I really love Huck's hair in this album, like he's blonde. And then the ticket one. Huh? Nugu? Ooh, Kevin! Okay. Kevin! Oh my god, Kevin! Kevin Moon in the house. What you doing, Kevin? He's in the fan, bro. And sparkling. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sauna sparkling. Hold up. Oh my god. I need to process. So this is the inclusion from the front part. The sparkling PC, the hologram postcard, the tattoo sticker, and the photo ticket. Kevin! No! Short hair Kevin is so handsome. The photo card. Oh my god. I really hope I got Younghoon, but I don't mind actually. Like, I love all of them, and if I can't get Younghoon, I can buy it later. Just like this one. Huh? Nugu? I got it. Hold on, I need to digest. And yeah. Kevin again. I'm sorry guys. I've been wanting this photo card. And this Kevin. I pulled 2 Kevin. I'm gonna cry. I don't know why I'm gonna cry, but it's the most exciting part of buying an album when you pull the photo cards and the other inclusion. This is the album. I don't know how to show you guys this. I don't think I can do the flip through. Cian! Yante! Kevin photo! Kevin is so handsome. Eric. The reason why I bought cake version is because I like the concept. Like when you go to amusement park and I don't know, the lighting and everything is so nice. Ah, Chani! That's why I bought this one. The reason why they give us 3 options is to buy at least one, not all of them, yeah. Normalize buying one version of his album. He's so handsome in this concert. I'm sorry for the non-K-popers need to see this unboxing, but tengok yang aku ni. Handsome gila. Sana! Sana. This hug. Full stop. Wow. So handsome. Move on to the next album. Another art of mine. Front. So nice. Like this one is the wave version. Hence the wave here. It has 3 versions. Wave, storm, and ripple. And this part change according to their version. The ripple ones like small ripple, and then the storm one is a big wave, something like that. And the track list, it has 10 track lists. It has 10, and my favorite is Wave, of course. Bad Dream, let's listen to Bad Dream. Go Hey, I like Go Hey. Confession. Here For You is like the full English song. Yes. Can you see that? Oh, dia macam ni. Ni apa? Ni mesti ada inclusion and the photo book. And the reason why I bought the wave version is because of the denim concept. It's the denim concept. Oh, you're so... Cipiang! Pyonggon! Yang ni, Seunghoon! Because Seunghoon dengan Yonghee punya rambut is like the same. One is purple and one is rainbow. It's like head colour so. Small Yonghee. I like this face the most. I like all of them. Like CIX is my ultimate of my ultimate group. If that makes sense. I really hope I can pull her sock or Beijing though. I can't. CD dia lah. Dia letak CD je guys. Macam tu je dia letak CD. Lepas tu dah lah dia blog siapa tu. Jin yang dengan Yonghee kat belakang tu. This one is the lyrics book. And the most exciting part, the inclusion. Okay. Banyak inclusion tau sebenarnya. Stickers. I can't show each of them, but I hope you can see. This one cantik. Poster. Let's see who I got. Ooh, Connie. Such a man. Oh, and that answer. Kiss debuting in CIX album. This is me, guys. Oh, I'm matching with the album. You're gonna like scrapbook. They have this concept, and if I cerita to you guys, saya explain konsep ni tak cukup satu video. Nice. It's like I'm actually one of the Stella punya crew member. Universe card. Satu je. Postcard. Photo card. I thought 2. Postcard. Oh, postcard. Oh, you got all of them. I thought we got random. So you got all of them. Hyunseok. Byungwon. Jinyoung. Yonghee. Seunghoon. And everyone. The denim looks so good on them. I guess my luck from this album all goes to BX. This one is BX. This one is scratch photo card. Let's see the moment of truth. What? god. I pulled both of my buyers. I pulled Beijing and I pulled... Where is Younghoon? Yeah, I cannot believe this. I pulled both of them. A moment of silence. A moment of silence. To appreciate Kisses luck today. I'm happy. Bakso, bakso. Not like kalau I tak dapat my buyers, I will not be happy pun. But dia macam every time you unbox an album, the feeling of excitement every time you pull someone photo card, I just a K-popers out there faham my feeling. Doesn't matter who I pull though, but it's just the excitement. I like the excitement. Oh lah, I didn't get any poster. Sebab dah habis lah. Tahulah tak ambil poster in tube, tapi nak juga poster. Sumpah lawa doh postcard ni. I'm in love. That's all for today's video. It's me unboxing 2 albums from 2 of my ultimate groups, the boyz and scix. So yeah, that's all for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing my favorite group's album, the boyz and scix. If you don't listen to their songs yet, do listen to their new song Thrill Ride and Wave, and do listen to the tracklist too. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. 구독과 좋아요, 알림 설정까지 꼭 부탁드립니다. 안녕. See you guys in the next video. Bye.